I went on vacation. I posted my Puerto Rico vlog. And I don't know about you guys, but when I get back from vacation, I don't log back in till like another week. Because in my head, I'm still in vacation mode. I ate a good breakfast today. And I'm like already starting to get my protein in. Today, I have upper body. So I have some bench and some accessory work. I mean, I don't know. I kind of want some pre-work. I'm not like really in the mood for the gym today, but we're gonna go because again, we're trying to get back on it. I don't know what to wear. Like all my clothes is washing right now. So this is what I'm wearing. I ended up going with this set. It's just black on black. Black. I'm wearing my chain, some earrings. I'm wearing my hair up like this. Put these shoes on. They're super comfy. I freaking love these. I want to get these in black, but not right now because so I just got out the gym and I'm like fucking tired. I decided to come back home to take a shower, change, then I'll go grocery shopping and to eat something because I'm hungry right now. I'm tired, bro. I'm tired. This is the fit for the grocery store. Fit. I hate coming grocery shopping, especially by myself. I'm ready to go home. If the lighting is trash, I'm sorry. This is the best I can do. I'm just gonna meal prep. And I'm not doing my whole meal prep today. I'm gonna do half of it tomorrow because I overstimulate. Like, I just can't do too much at once. Today I'm gonna be doing the beef, some rice, and some veggies. Something very simple. I'm just trying to get back on track. Today I had squats and it was really good. I did 3 of 3 to 25. I'm trying to get my weight back up there. Fun fact, I can't do anything without watching a show.
2 drinks.
So I'm watching How I Met Your Mother.
Thanks for talking so sense to me.
So I can't sleep. It is 2:51 in the morning. So I know that I had a vlog before this one. This one's an actual, like, you know, coming back from vacation, getting back into the groove of things. I I was only on there for like a week, and then everything came crashing down. But life happens. We gonna work with it. First I was sick, then I was going through what I was going through. I had to recover or whatever. It's so hard. Like I went to the gym yesterday, but I feel like I can't be around too many people because I'm just not ready to deal with the world again. And when I tell you, when I walked in, I was so anxious. I'm a person that always preaches like, just, you know, keep going and like you gotta be disciplined or whatever, but sometimes shit happens mentally. Like I had to recognize that I wasn't okay. So, but I'm doing the work. I've been journaling a lot. I took a small step to go into the gym. This week is gonna be the week that I go back to work, so you know, I'll be okay. If you know me, I don't do cute pajamas. I like grandpa fits. So this is the fit. Today I didn't go to the gym or anything, but I'm excited because tomorrow I'm back to my normal schedule. We'll see how it goes. I know my numbers are not up there like that, but it's okay. I'm gonna work towards it little by little. I don't know if you guys know any plant-based protein powders, just because I mean I know of one that I did try and I really liked it, but I can't buy it locally because I saw this one at Target, but I've never seen that brand, so I'll have to search it up and do my little research. So I hope it's good so I can just buy it. But if you guys like any like plant-based protein powders, let me know, put me on, because I need suggestions. To the gym, and I'm doing a little bit of upper body, so some benching and some accessory work and stuff. We'll see how it goes. We'll see my numbers, test them out and stuff. I just got out the gym and my numbers were not up there like that, obviously, but that was expected. I'll get back to it, you know, muscle memory. So I'm not tripping. I expected it, but I just gotta put in the work. And I did some cardio today afterwards. So yeah, I didn't record my whole workout because honestly I felt like it was a lot of people, so I wasn't trying to like be in everybody's space. So I recorded what I could without being in people's like space too much. Oh, I just feel rude doing that. So, but I feel really good. Tomorrow I should be having lower body. I'm really excited to be back. But now I'm about to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I think I'm gonna cook my beef and then maybe eat some tacos. Beef tacos. I don't know. We'll see.